something like
Yes,
that. I would like to rectify myself. Yeah.
absolutely. That
Hi, good afternoon. Hi,
Hi, very good afternoon. How are you?
good afternoon. How are you? I'm very well. Thank you for asking. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, but I'm still a bit under the weather. Yeah, I'm feeling cold.
Okay.
Yeah, then it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. So hope you get well soon.
Yeah, thank you for your concern. Yeah.
Thank you. So tell me,
So how are
today
you doing? Yeah.
I'm very well. Thank you so much for asking. So we are
Okay.
meeting for the first time today, right?
Yeah, we are meeting first time today. Yes.
Yeah. Could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Yeah, when it's come to my introduction, I am from southern part of India. My state is Karnataka. I'm from Mangalore.
Okay. Okay.
My family lives in India. Currently, I'm
Okay.
connecting from Israel. Last three
Okay.
years, I'm working in Israel. That's all about me. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So tell me, today while talking, if you make any mistake, when do you want me to correct you? On the spot or towards the end? What would you prefer?
You can make correction end of the session is fine for me. Yeah.
End of the session?
Yeah.
Perfect. So, are you aware of today's topic?
I have not gone into deep that topic.
Okay.
Today only I saw that topic. There are some
Uh,
topics
yeah.
like fitness. I saw one thing, and some
Okay.
kind of shopping. I saw. Yeah.
Correct. So I'll tell you what the topics are. There are two extempore topics. So you need to speak
Okay.
on any one of them, or you can speak on both also if you want. Now there are two
Okay.
topics. One is ways to get up in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the other one is poor health begins in the mind.
Okay.
So which topic do you want to speak on?
Yeah, I would like to go for poor health begins in the mind.
Absolutely. So tell me about it, please. Please share.
Yeah, when it comes to poor health, you're not feeling well.
Uh-huh.
Also, you're feeling something body pain,
Mhm.
and you're not very much comfortable. You feel lethargic, uh, and you would like to meet a doctor. So you're under the bit of weather, or you're feeling not you're not feeling well. Kind of situation that is called where poor health, begins. So we need to make ourselves sometimes physically fit also very important. If you're not doing regular exercise and morning walk, maybe you will feel sick. What I understand. Yeah.
Cor- Correct. So physical fitness is very important. Correct.
Yeah. Also mentally also. Yeah.
Mental fitness is also very important. So
So
now tell me.
what kind of situation? I mean, what kind of environment you are having? Yeah.
Yeah, it all
Sometimes
depends.
if you are having too much stress, also it will impact for your health. Yeah.
Okay. So that is true. What you said is absolutely right. I completely agree. You mean
Okay.
to say that mental health and physical health are interrelated. Correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Absolutely. So now tell me, like, what steps can we take to ensure that we maintain a good mental health?
Yeah, you have to go for morning walk. You have to check up your doctor to regular health checkup. How I can say that? Yeah. Also
Okay.
eat healthy food, and you should not eat junky foods, and
Okay.
sleep well,
Okay.
and that all. Yeah, we can say that. Yeah.
Absolutely. So now these days, like due to immense work pressure, you know,
Yeah.
people are more likely to face mental health issues.
Mm-hmm.
So, so
Yes.
what advice would you give them to ensure that they do not fall into this trap of poor mental health, which leads to poor physical health?
Yeah. Nowadays, yoga is very famous. Right? So you do yoga and you do pranayam, and you do some of the stretches, and You go for outing whenever you feel you are not you are whenever you're feeling a stressful situation. Take a off and you go to some other long distance places, go to hill place, go to beach places, and
Mhm.
relax there. Be 1 or 2 days. You enjoy with your family and be happy. No BP. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. This to be the key. So, the what in life, what makes you happy? What is the source of happiness?
Yeah, you have to make yourself environment better. So don't make jealous with the other one what he's doing. Whatever you are having, you happy with yourself, and don't make too much compliments. Whatever you have a capability to do, you can do it. Don't go beyond the line. Yeah, something like that. I would like to say. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, personally, to you, what gives you happiness?
For me, if my family is happy, I'm also happy. I have 2 kids. I'm
Okay.
always, take care of them. And if they're having any kind of tougher situation or they feel sick, something like that, they are not good at school, something like that. And yeah, my parents also, yeah. So, and myself also, if I am fit, I would like to be energetic and be happy always. And you talk with the people very happily and you enjoy every moment. Don't take too much stress. Yeah, that's all about me. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, tell me about life in Israel. About your life in Israel.
Life in Israel is very good. People are good and they give good respect each one. And
Mhm.
yeah, they are not taking too much stress like how Indian people are taking, and they are always happy. I would notice one thing, and they are very disciplined. And yeah, but one thing is they're following Western culture because we are following tradition, right, in India. So that is a difference. And
Okay.
yeah, even food-wise, some difference is there. They don't eat much rice. They prefer to eat like kind of bread, something like that, and they eat pasta, they eat macaroni, we call the soup, chicken soup, kind of dishes they like to eat. Yeah, rather eating too much rice. Yeah.
Okay. So, do you like rice or do you like Western food? What do you prefer?
I don't eat rice nowadays. I prefer brown bread. Yeah, rather white bread. Yeah.
Okay.
Then I eat chapati at night. Yeah, I don't eat rice. I eat rice once a while, like per day once. Yeah, like lunchtime I prefer lunch rice.
Okay. Correct. So, at when you used to live in India, was rice a part of your everyday diet?
Sorry?
When you used to live in India, was rice a
Yeah.
part of your everyday diet?
Yeah. So I used to eat 3 times rice. Yeah.
Yes.
And because morning also we eat idli, dosa kind of, that also part of rice. And
Correct.
lunchtime we used to boil rice, matta rice we call, because I live in Mangalore. I'm very close to Kerala. So,
Okay.
and dinner also we eat rice. Yeah.
Absolutely. So I'm from West Bengal. We are also very fond of rice.
Okay. Yeah. You like fish, right? West Bengal
Yeah.
people. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fish, rice, chicken. Rice is an integral part of our diet.
And also potato. You like potato very much. Every dish is you're including potato, right? Yeah.
Potato, yeah, exactly. So what happens, have you heard of, obviously you have eaten chicken biryani, right?
Chicken
Correct.
biryani. Yes.
Chicken
Yeah.
biryani. Only in Calcutta, what happens is that the chicken biryani will have a potato
Yes. Yeah.
because
That's what
Bengali,
I'm telling you. Yeah.
yeah, so they'll have a potato. This is called the Calcutta chicken biryani. It will always have a potato.
And
And
even while preparing fish, so fish curry also, like watery gravy you prepare, now you like. Also, you're
yeah,
adding potato also in that. I saw. Yeah, one of my
yeah,
friends' home.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah. The potato is an integral part of any dish. That
Yeah.
is true. Correct. Absolutely.
Oh,
And Bengali food is very good. There are different kinds of dishes in
Rasmalai. There is a one famous sweet is there, right? Rasmalai we
Russia.
call
Yeah, exactly. So that is a very
rasgulla.
popular dessert. It's a very popular dessert in.
Dessert. Yeah.
So have you ever
That
you tasted Bengali food at your friend's place?
no, actually, I was working in Jakarta long back, and there was a roommate for me. He's from Bengal, so he used to
Okay.
cook sometime. So that's why I had a experience.
So you are quite familiar with the Bengali food, right?
Yeah, he used to prepare khichdi as well. He
Oh,
very good.
okay. Okay.
Yeah,
That's very nice. That's very nice. So about how long did you work in Jakarta?
I was in almost 5 years. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, so now tell me, so now that you have established the fact that there is a link between mental health and physical health, correct? So,
Okay.
go to? Are you very health conscious?
Yeah, it's part of. Yeah, we can say that.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, are you very particular about your diet or calorie intake?
Like I'm following like 60 to 70% I'm following. And once
Okay.
a while I eat, I go to restaurant and I'm having food outside. Sometimes
Okay.
I go to KFC as well. But yeah, usually I prefer I'm going with my diet. Yeah, I don't eat
Oh,
much stuffs. Yeah, I'm not consuming much stuffs into my body. Yeah.
okay. That's very good. So now tell me, do you as a health conscious individual, do you visit the doctor for regular checkups?
Yeah, if it is not under my control, kind of cold symptoms and fever and all, then I would like to prefer go to doctor and I will take appointment and I go. Yeah.
Okay, you go. And in general, do you just go for checkups? No, just when you are under the weather.
And every 3 months, 4 months, I go to lab and I do my blood test. Yeah,
Okay,
that would be very helpful for me to if anything is there, if it is not good, something like
yes,
that, I would like to rectify myself. Yeah.
absolutely. That is what I was asking. It's very important to do that, as a health
Yes.
conscious
Yes.
individual. Absolutely. So when
Yeah.
you visit the doctor, do you are you always honest with the doctor about all the symptoms that you are facing?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Whatever I'm having, I'm directly telling to doctor. Yeah, this is kind of situation I'm facing, and please do help me. Kind of, yeah, talk is going on
So do you feel
whenever I'm
nervous?
visiting the doctor.
Right.
Yeah.
So do you feel nervous when you visit the doctor?
No, I don't feel nervous. Yeah.
No, 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 not you don't feel nervous or tense, right? Well,
No, no, I'm
correct.
not feeling tense and all. Yeah, whatever I'm having directly, I'm informing to the doctor. So doctor will understand. Yeah.
Yeah. So if just an imaginary situation, if you visit a doctor and the doctor says that you have a chronic disease, what would be your reaction? This is a topic for on Clapingo.
Yeah.
So what would be your
Yeah.
reaction?
If if doctor would tell me kind of you are having chronic something like that, jaundice something like that, then I would not be panic. I'm asking doctor what kind of solution we can take. So how
Okay.
would you prefer to back my normal from the chronic disease, and
Correct.
then I will follow. Yeah, I do not have make any panic. Yeah, because I
Right.
had a experience long back. I had a jaundice in the year I think 2005 or six, something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
So I was quite normal after 1 year. Yeah.
Very good. And suppose if the doctor tells you that it was a wrong diagnosis, okay, okay,
Okay.
the nurse had mixed up the
Yeah.
file, okay, and you
Yeah.
do not,
Yeah.
and if the doctor tells you that you do not
Yeah.
have any chronic
2 minutes.
disease,
Yeah. Yeah.
the doctor tells you that you do not have any chronic disease, how would you feel?
Sorry, I'm not getting. Yeah,
Suppose the
some
doctor tells you
disturbance.
that it was a case of, if the nurse had mixed up your file and
Uh-huh.
it was a wrong
Uh,
diagnosis, okay,
yeah.
how
Hmm.
would you feel?
Yeah. If I see the result, maybe that time maybe I would be panic because Yeah, then I would ask doctor to please repeat the test.
Uh,
Maybe I'm not comfortable with this test. Can you repeat me? Yeah, then I will ask them. Yeah, that.
yeah, correct. So I will point out
uh
the product mistakes now. Okay. So
Okay,
you expressed your thoughts very well. Okay, the points were very well
okay,
expressed, but there were some
okay,
grammatical errors which I want to point out.
uh,
Okay. So now
okay.
it has an impact for your health. It will be
Mm-hmm.
impact on your health, not for. It has an
Okay.
impact on your health. That is the preposition.
On
Then
your
you
health.
said
Yeah,
on
yeah,
your health. Then junky
yeah.
food, don't say junky food, junk food. Don't say
Okay.
junky. Okay.
Junk
Then
foods.
it
Yeah, yeah.
junk food. Then you said
Mm-hmm.
hill places, it will
Mm-hmm.
be hilly places, hilly regions, hilly. When you
Okay,
are using it as
okay.
an adjective, use hilly, not hill places. Okay.
Hilly. Yeah.
Hilly,
Okay.
hilly regions. Okay. Then you say,
Mm-hmm.
I don't make jealous of another person. Okay. It is
Mm.
not don't make jealous. No. I am not jealous.
Okay, I'm not jealous of other person what
Other
he's doing.
people, of other people. I
Yeah.
am not jealous of other people. Then
Mm-hmm.
they are for now when you spoke about Israel, you said they are not taking too much stress. Instead of saying they are not,
Okay.
what you're saying, you're using present continuous tense very often. Okay, so use the
Okay.
simple present tense.
Okay.
They do not take much stress. They do not take much
Okay.
stress. Okay,
They do
then you
not take much stress. Yeah.
yes. Then you said they are following Western culture. Again, present continuous tense. It will be
Mm.
they do not follow Western culture. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
another repetitive habit, you said once a while. Okay. It is
Okay.
once in a while. Once in a while.
Once in a while. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Then
Yeah.
I am again present continuous says I am going with diet. Present
Mm.
continuous. Present continuous means you're doing it currently or temporarily. Okay. But something that
Yeah.
you do usually more permanently, always use simple present tense. Okay. That is the
Okay.
difference. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so I am directly telling. So I directly tell. Okay. I am directly telling the
Mm.
doctor about my issues. Again, present continuous. I directly tell the doctor. When I am visiting the doctor, no, when I visit the doctor, not am visiting.
When I
Okay.
visit them.
This
Okay.
is the main problem. Present continuous will
Yeah.
become simple present. Otherwise, your thoughts
Oh.
were good, very well expressed. It was lovely talking to you, and I would love to talk to you again. Okay, don't worry. Keep
Yeah.
practicing.
You and I also had a very good session with you. Yeah.
Thank you
Looking
so
for
much.
a one more session with you. Yeah.
Absolutely. Definitely. The pleasure is all mine. Please take care. Have a
Oh,
wonderful evening. Take care. Bye.
okay. Thank you so much. Bye.